With love and passion, Slovenia is making its mark on world gastronomy. An astonishing 6 chefs were awarded Michelin stars in our first year. From a heart of rebellion to the world's best female chef. From a chef who fashions fish into art. To a skateboarder chef whose creativity ignites when the best local meats strike the grill. From a maestro of red corn and mountain traditions. To a visionary whose mind-altering beef soup stirs memories of childhood. Our cellars yield some of the world's best biodynamic wine. Our famous wind, the Burja, rises from the Adriatic and tumbles toward the Alps. Our forests and fields offer up gifts, and our foragers know how to find them. So when guests come to these finest restaurants, they have a feeling that they've come home. In a land that conjures images of fairies and dragons, meet innovation and ingenuity. We work with nature, and we do so sustainably, the right way. From our back garden to our kitchen to your table, we show our love through cooking, of our land, of nature, of our guests. You can't spell Slovenia without love. Your plate awaits.